Now, we are here at the island residence in Kimba, and now we are going to Wayala Beach. It takes 100 around 145 kilometers, and we go for the beach walk there, and maybe we go swimming there. And our pilot is Aileen Alonte, and also Big Boy, the co-pilot. And here are the classmates at the back of the seat of the car. Sabi mo already. Oh, okay. Good morning, classmate. So, we make a sightseeing here at the Wayala Beach. So, kita mo yung likod, boy, oh. Uy, yung mataas na yun, oh.
For the last time.
This is now our first time here. Yeah. Oh, this is now the second time because we have been here already. I think that was in the last week. And then we came back here to make a tour with the Big Boy here at the Wayala Beach. Okay. Oh, here we go to the jetty of the Wayala Beach. We'll take a look there. It's cold temperature here at the Wayala. Yung picture mo yung ano yun, nandun. Video mo yun, yung mga nalilipas. Wow, 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 wow! Here in Wayala Beach. Yes! Oh, sige. Oh. Para matakpan yung tenga mo, nahugong, napasok ang hangin sa tenga. Oh, harap. Oh, hello. Wow. Oh, harap. Dili pa rin eh. Oh, ayos na. Hindi pwedeng bitawan ng sombrero. Lili pa rin yan. India. Mekeni. Pero parehas ang camera natin. Parehas lang. Parang doon din sa lingkod, may nangingisda rin doon. Mga Pilipino pa. Yan. Napili sila. Nakukuha dito. Energy drink or juice. Walang power, ano sabi mo boy? Yung kailangan yung power sweat ba yun? Wala? Wala. Wala dito. Wala. sama-sama. Oh, sama-sama together. Get together. Oh, yes. Yeah. Oh, wala kang kukunin dyan, kami? Wala. O doon, sama ka na lang doon. Sama ka muna. Aking i-off na to. Doon. Sama ka muna doon. Para isang kuha na. Doon dyan. Yan. Dito ka there. Bullying. So, yan. Yes.
Eh, kung gusto mong bumili, bumili ka.
Ang alin? Well, oh, yan yan right. Sali naman tayo. Yun oh, yun yun ganda fresh the vegetable. Wow, very good. Wow, yan, very good. Tra. Oh, yan yan. Lamesa wool. Extra. Ayaw mag-off. Putang na ito. Ba't ganun? So, yan. Ito. Yan. Yan. Tingin sila na. Doon Yan Tingin sila ng chocolate. Yan dito. Sa Big W. Oh, yan. Oh, walang makitang gusto. Ito, tinitingin sila. Oo, kung ano yung hinahanap. What you looking for? Oh, Sambi yan Sambi. Oh, dyan muna. Picture. Picture. 1, 2, 3. Oh, yan. Okay. Cut.